Being nice feels safe. It feels polite. It feels like the right thing to do. But have you ever noticed this? The nicest people are often the most ignored ones. They listen to everyone. They agree with everyone. They avoid conflict at all costs. And still, they don't get respect. People interrupt them. People take advantage of them. People don't take their words seriously. Slowly, quietly, they begin to feel invisible. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You are not disrespected because you are a bad person. You are disrespected because you are too easy to cross. Nice behavior without boundaries doesn't create respect. It creates permission. Let's clear one thing first. Kindness is not weakness, and respect is not aggression. The problem is not being kind. The problem is being nice out of fear. Fear of disagreement, fear of rejection, fear of not being liked. When you say yes while your mind is screaming no, people feel it. When you laugh at jokes you don't like, people feel it. When you explain yourself again and again, people feel it. And subconsciously, they stop valuing you. Because respect doesn't come from pleasing people. It comes from clarity. Strong people are not loud. They are clear. They don't need to convince everyone. They don't need approval. They know where they stand. And because of that, others know it too. So, how do you stop being just nice and start being respected? It begins with 3 shifts. First, learn to say no. Not aggressively, not emotionally, just calmly. No long explanations. No guilt. A simple, clear no. Second, stop over-explaining yourself. The more you justify your decisions, the weaker your position looks. Say what you mean. Then stop talking. Third, respect your own standards. If you don't value your time, your words, and your limits, no one else will. Here's what happens when you change. Some people will leave. Some will get uncomfortable. Some will test you. That's not a loss. That's the filter working. Because the people who stay will respect you. Not because you are loud, not because you are rude, but because you are solid. So don't stop being kind. Stop being afraid. Be calm. Be clear. Be grounded. Respect is not demanded. It is not requested. Respect is built. Quietly. Consistently. By the person who knows exactly where they stand.